We're here at an undisclosed location to the south of Bristol where we're running a nuclear training exercise. We have a building which has unknown radioactive inventory inside. Teams have to go in and they have to safely explore the building and the facility and understand where all the different radioactive sources are hidden.
We have a range of technologies available, from unmanned aerial vehicles to perform aerial surveys, right through to large ground robotics, as well as a load of sensor technologies, from radiation detectors, clever cameras and 3D scanning LiDAR instruments.
Welcome, first of all, everyone. Today is about learning, methodologies, processes, use of technologies. We've co-developed this with the Ukrainians as close as we're able to get to facilities which are in Ukraine at the moment that have been ransacked by Russian forces.
Having the Ukrainian delegation here is critical. They are people that have the problem currently nested in their country and have a large inventory of nuclear material. Bringing them alongside key UK competency holders and expertise will be really crucial in transferring the knowledge inwards and outwards of Ukraine.
The outside surveys have confirmed that it's safe for us to enter the building, so that's what we're going to do now. Team 1 is going to be dressed up in PVC suits to go in and explore the corridors. So this is the initial information. They're going to identify the access hazards, any potential explosive devices, and do a general sweep with some probes. We're going to limit them to 15 minutes because we don't want them to get too hot.
I've done deployments in Chernobyl, the UK and in America. This is the most extreme I've ever got dressed in today in the PVC suits. I've never had to actually go that far and they're very hot.
I have never experienced this before. I helped with the initial measuring of this territory. It's important to understand what a person engaged in radiation measurement activities feels like.
Teams 2 and 3 are both going to be introduced simultaneously in paper suits. They'll be entering the rooms, looking for anything of interest, including radiation sources.
With the contamination monitor, you check all the rooms with the necessary precautions, but at some point there was also a person in distress, which was not really part of the script.
It appears to be somebody is in need for help.
We believe it came down from corridor
J or D. We are still hearing distress calls, over.
This made the whole thing a bit more confusing.
2 and 3 returning to barrier.
At the same time there was this air raid alarm that went off, so we had to at a spot make the decision whether we evacuate.
We all left the rooms, left the building. It was unexpected, but at the same time from Ukraine, for me it was expected. It is very important to provide realistic conditions during such training courses to be ready to any events.
We asked, is the building's perimeter secure? They said yes.
After teams 2 and 3 have come back, teams 4 and 5 are going to be then deployed with gamma spec instruments, and they're going to go directly to the rooms we know have the spiciest sources and go and acquire the spectra. And that's the overall aim of the exercise, is to identify the sources.
We hope that this kind of training exercise between joint agencies and institutions will be the first of many coming from today.
There's a lot of new technology in the field which we're not all aware of, so it's very good to have a good insight of the capabilities of what's possible today.
It confronts you with the limitations of your own person. You realize that you don't have a 360-degree field of view when you look around, but you only see part of the area in front of you. You don't see the ceiling, you don't see the floor, so you miss things like contamination on the floor, you miss things like sources hidden in the ceiling.
Well done, and thank you very much, everyone. I think you all did very well. I think everyone needs to give themselves a round of applause to start with. It's really important to do these things where we get everyone together, and you can only learn so much from a textbook or a handbook. You learn much, much more from actually getting hands-on.
I think that Bristol University team is really doing great, and I would definitely recommend this training for our colleagues from Ukraine, for students, professionals, everyone.
The whole point of this isn't about us coming in, doing something to them and walking away again. It's about helping them develop the skills and capability to function as an industry and a society.
Step by step, we could start from the Chernobyl zone because it's already not under occupation. Then I wish very soon we will be able to do it at the Zaporizhzhia nuclear power plant and also our enterprises and facilities.
The UK in this space has a chance to really lead the world and share with the international community just what it can do.